Carpet cleaning pros, are you ready to make your business the go-to choice for spotless homes in your area? With Take One Marketing, you can unlock the power of door-to-door flyer campaigns to boost your business, fill your schedule, and increase your market share, fast. Our custom-designed flyers are packed with the wow factor that grabs attention instantly. Each flyer is tailored to showcase your exclusive deals, highlight your expertise, and position you as the trusted solution for clean, healthy homes. Take One Marketing ensures your flyers land in the hands of the homeowners most likely to need your services. And with live GPS tracking, you'll know exactly where your flyers are delivered, giving you 100% transparency and real results. Imagine this: your phone ringing off the hook with customers excited to book your services. That's the power of Take One Marketing's flyer campaigns. Don't wait for your competitors to take over your market. Call Take One Marketing today and let us help you grow your carpet cleaning business with campaigns that deliver big results. Visit us at takeonemarketing.com or call now to get started. Your next big win is just one flyer away.